Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, before we start our studies today, it is better for us to pray first. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, before we start our studies today, it is better for us to pray first. Well, now I will check your attendance. Who is absent today? No one? Good. It is about our learning purpose. After following the learning activity, hopefully you will be able to create descriptive text of historical place or tourism place. Before we continue our study, let us see our previous material. In the last meeting, we talked about adjectives. Yes, adjectives are used to describe place. Okay, now we are going to continue to talk about the definition of descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text which describes a particular person, place, or thing. And about generic structure of the text, the first is identification. Identification talks about name, location, and specific information. And then the second one is description. Description talks about quality and characteristics. Okay, now we are talking about language feature. Language features of descriptive text. The first is use simple present tense, and then talks about specific object, and then use adjectives. Well, students, for your task, please create descriptive text about tourism place that near from your home. And in writing descriptive text, you have to pay attention for several things. The first one is topic. The topic is about tourism place that near from your home. The second one is organization, so you have to consider about generic structure of the text. The third one is grammar, use the correct grammar. And then the fourth one is vocabulary, choose the proper vocabulary. And then the last one is about spelling. Misspelling is not allowed. Okay, you can do your task in this link. After you finish, please submit it. Okay, happy writing! Well, class, this is the end of our meeting today. But before we close our meeting today, let us make the conclusion. Today, we have learned about descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text which describes a particular person, place, or thing. And generic structure of the text is identification and description. And language features of the text is descriptive text. Use simple present tense, talk about specific object, and use adjectives. Well, class, don't go anywhere for an important thing. Stay at home and keep healthy, and also don't forget to complete the task. Okay, let's close our meeting today by saying Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.